Yo, what's going on? How y'all doing? I'm about to give you the most faithful way to have success in the stock market. For all you brand new people, I'm going to give it to you right now, all of it, every little bit. All right, y'all ready? You probably have done a lot. You've won a little, you've lost a little, whatever the case may be. You're all over the place, right? So that's why you're looking for something. So now you found something, so let me give it to you. In my experience, I would say focus on 5 equities, okay? Number 1, VTI and VOO, okay? Those 2, okay? Then you pick 3 stocks. 2 of those stocks need to be in 1, 2, or 3 in their sector. They need to be personally picked by you. And they need to be something that you love, that you're willing to fight for, that you're willing to have conviction for. And then that 3rd one can be any stock that you believe is going to be the future, going to do well in the future. Okay, the key to that one, though, is they have to at least be making money. They have to at least have product in the world. And they can't have like 6 negative quarters.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay? So you hear me what I said, but you have to pick those 3. They have to be your 3. The only 2 that I'm suggesting is VTI and VOO. Okay? The other 3, you have to pick them. Now here's the rules before you pick them. Okay? Before you pick those 3, take a full quarter to do all your DD, to do all your research, to make sure you're confident in your decision. 90 days. Once you've taken 90 days to select the 3 that you're going to go with, execute your plan. That's it. Now, for the next 4 years, aggressively take every extra penny you got and put it in those 5. Be consistent, be consistent, be consistent. Here's the key. Of the 5 that you get, only buy them on red days. Did you hear what I said? Only buy them on red days. Do this for 4 years. I'm talking about all the extra stuff you're doing, the desserts and all the partying and all the extra stuff. Don't do none of that for 4 years. Just take all your extra money and put it in those 5. Okay? VTI, VOO, 2 stocks that are 1, 2, or 3 in their position, okay? And then a 3rd one, something you think that's going to grow. Remember the rules to that. Just continue to buy them up with every extra dime you got, okay? That's the rule. If you do this for 4 years, you ain't going to regret yourself after that, okay? In the 5th year, just celebrate. Do whatever you want to do for that 5th year. Just do something you want to do to celebrate how consistent you were. This is if you're new, okay? Everything else is a distraction. I know you hear the word options all the time. Options, options, options. Everybody wants options because it seems like the easy play. But let me just say this. People who are good at options, they've been doing this a while. So don't get caught up in that. So if you do want to do options, only trade options on the 3 that you picked. You get what I'm saying? Option trade those, particularly those first 2, the top 2. That's the game, yo. All right? If you new to the game, just do this, stick to this. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna go wrong. Bottom line, point blank, period. I don't want nothing from you. I'm just giving it to you because it takes a lot of people to get to this point. Because in the stock market world, all the other stocks look beautiful. But you need to focus on your 5. Focus on your 5. Everybody else, ignore them once you pick them, okay? Take 90 days to do all your due diligence. So you ask the question, well, how do I know what a top stock is? I could give you some hints, but I'm going to leave that alone. Do the work. What's going to make you good in this is you doing the work. All right? Peace.